Hi, my name is Vidyadhar Pandey. I came from Bangalore. This place we found out recently, and we just wanted to come here and feel this special vibrations here. Inside the pyramid, the feeling is
Energy was very special, yeah.
yeah, we could feel the energy, and this whole place is very silent, very good for meditation.
Yes, yes.
We enjoyed it, and we will
We will
will
plan
come.
to come
Yeah,
again.
we will come
Yeah.
again, and we'll stay here for a day or two
Yes, yes.
and enjoy the meditation.
Yeah, it was amazing experience, and only seeing it is not enough. You have to come here and feel it. Feeling
Yeah,
is something else. The vibe of this place is very peaceful. And if I want to tell you from when I came inside and now I'm going out, I am different person because it's amazing feeling. We love it and we will repeat it again. Yeah, please, Bangalorean, welcome because this place is very special.